All right, still with me, Christa Ramey. Christa, you know, as I look at this case, she could get between 8 and 12 years. Judge gave her 11, which is on the higher side, but when you look at it by the numbers, there was a 4-year spread there between the 8 and the 12. He took 1 year off. That's ostensibly a 1 year, 25% reduction in what she could have faced. Seems like a lot for a vehicular homicide by intoxication charge. These are not sympathetic charges against this woman.
No, they're not. And, you know, in my view, nor should they be. You know, you know, she was obviously very remorseful. But, you know, in her statement, I believe her comments were along the lines of, you know, how sorry she was. And if she knew that she had hit him, she would have stopped. Well, you know, I think that when you look at what her mitigating reasons for, you know, in the sentencing hearing, it wasn't very mitigating and it wasn't very remorseful. And so I think that you saw someone who was sorry that she did it, but not fully understanding and comprehending what she did. And, you know, I can see why judges come down hard on folks that kill someone when they have too much to drink and get behind the wheel of a car. And I'm not at all surprised here.
Yeah, I mean, when you talk about the fact that she wished if she knew she hit someone, she would have stopped. The whole reason she didn't know she hit someone is because she drank too much. At least that's what the evidence showed. Here's what's interesting. In Tennessee, you're parole eligible after serving 30% of your sentence, which means this woman, after killing a police officer while driving drunk, could serve maybe 4 years. That's shocking to me. I mean, and it sounds like you're with me in this type of charge is not sympathetic at all. You should come down as hard as possible because it's avoidable, right? It's about decisions and choices made. It's very avoidable. Your thoughts on that aspect? She could get out in 4 years.
Yeah, to your point, it's avoidable. Uber and Lyft are very convenient and easy to do and are very inexpensive. It is, you know, I think that maybe that is one of the reasons why the judge came down on the harder side of the sentence, was because the eligibility for parole is so soon. And, you know, hopefully she will get the help she needs while she's incarcerated for her alcohol use, which was clearly a problem. And so, you know, we could hope that she gets the help she needs while she's incarcerated. I don't know what, you know, the system provides in Tennessee, but I certainly know that it is available here in California. So it's I didn't know that it was a third of the sentence. You're right. It's just stunning that she will be eligible that soon.
Yeah, Tennessee, I think they need to take a look at it. To be honest with you, 30%, yeah. that's nothing, right? Apparently the prosecutors were satisfied. Here's what they had to say. Actually, they said something to the effect that they were very satisfied with it based upon the case, facts, and the law that the judge has to go by. We argued for the maximum. We got 1 year less, so we're satisfied with that. That's from the District Attorney General, Neil Pinkston. So that's that, and that's how it's going to go. All right, Christa, thank you so much for joining me this evening. Truly appreciate it as always. We'll have you on again real soon for sure. We're going to take a break.